Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can easily fix the 504 error code on your Chrome browser, which is also known as the gateway timeout error while browsing on your Chrome browser. So for that, let's go quick into the process. In the Windows search bar, type Chrome that will appear under the best match. Go ahead and click on that. In your case, if you are already on your Chrome browser and you encounter the 504 error code, just try to reload the page first before we can go on with the next method. Click on this reload this page. You can simply click on that until the issue has been fixed or will be fixed. But if it still isn't fixed, then go to this next method. Click on the three dots at the top right corner. Scroll down and you'll find this settings icon, the one with the gear-like symbol. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, you'll find privacy and security, the one with the shield symbol. Now scroll down and at the bottom, you'll find this option site settings, controls what information sites can use and show. Click on that. Scroll down and under additional permissions precisely for the content options, you'll find third-party cookies, or it could be cookies and other site data on your case or in your Chrome browser. Scroll down and you'll find see all site data and permissions. It could also be see all cookies and permissions. So we're going to delete the cookies from here. Or you can directly search the website where you are having the trouble or the error with. And then just simply click on this delete icon. Or you can directly click on this delete all data to also remove the cookies and the site data. So just simply click on delete all data and then you will be asked delete all data. You have to click on this delete option, close your Chrome browser and just open it again, and this time that 504 error gateway timeout error will be fixed. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.